if you are a developer, you need to know this shortcut, this keyboard shortcut. They are very, very important in the life of all developers. Yeah, I think this keyboard shortcut are the very, very first thing you learn when you want to start your journey in tech as a whole. So number one is Ctrl C. Ctrl C, you highlight, then Ctrl C to copy. Then second one is Ctrl V to paste. The third one is Ctrl X to cut. The fourth one is Ctrl Z to undo. The fifth one is Ctrl Y to go back to your previous action. Why the last one is very, very, very important. Let's say I copy this particular text and I want to still copy this one. Copy, then I copy this other one, copy, but I want to paste this first one. Yeah, so all you just have to do is go to your clipboard history. Most persons don't know how to access that clipboard history. On your keyboard, just press Windows V and history will come out. So from here you can select whatever thing you want to paste. Just click on it, then you paste. If you want to paste it here, Ctrl V, then pick the one you want to paste, then you paste. So that's how it is. It's not hard. It's okay for you to copy people's code, but first thing first, you have to understand what you are copying so you can, will I say, when somebody asks you if you understand this code, yeah, you can free yourself from those kind of embarrassment stuff like that. So it's totally fine for you to copy code, for you to use AI and stuff like that. But first thing first, understand the basics and understand how this code works. If you like this video and you want more content like this, please do it to subscribe to my channel and stay updated. Thank you.